Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Momin. I will hope that you are well. Today's class I describe about the basic computer, history of computer and modern computer characteristic. So let's get start the class. So today's class is basic computer as well as I describe also history of computer and modern computer characteristic. So we know the computer is a very essential and very important device in the entire world. So everywhere, every places, every working system and working procedure we need to computer. So that's why we need to history of computer and the characteristic of the basic computer. Okay. So first of all we need to know history of computer. Who invented the computer is not a question with a simple answer. The real answer is that many inventors contributed to the history of computers. That computer is a complex piece of machinery made of many parts, so which can be considered a separate invention. But at the end of the movement, but Charles Babbage is often regarded as one of the first pioneers of computing. Charles Babbage is an English inventor invented a viable mechanical computers equivalent to the modern digital computers. Babbage made the computer for two purposes. First of all, special purpose of calculators and second one naval navigation chart. Okay, basically he made the computer for two purposes. One of them special purpose of calculator and second one naval navigation chart. Definition: what do you mean by computer or computer definition? So computer is a programmable machine that receives the input, store and automatically manipulated data and provide the output in a useful format. So a computer first time need to input, and after completing input he automatically processing this data. After completing this, he appearing a result which instruction given the input user. Okay, so it's called computer. But you need to know computer cannot initiate themselves and to make the decisions. They need instruction from user to enhance the process. After all, a computer is only a machine. I repeat, you need to know computer cannot initiate themselves and make the decision. After all, a computer is only a machine. Okay? So now, general characteristic of computer. First of all, speed. Computer operate at extremely high speed. The speed measured in the millions for instruction per second. We know computer works highly speed. When you give the instruction or when you input the data and it automatically processing highly speed, and after completing it will appear in your result in your output area. Okay, so it can be done at highly speed work. And second one, accuracy. The computer's accuracy is consistently high, almost without exception. The error in computing are due to the human rather than to technological weakness. That's mean due to dim thinking by the programmer, inaccurate data is the instruction or hardware problems. And third one, automatic. The computer are automatic. They do not need to any supervision in order to perform programs when instructed or execute the work assigned. And fourth one, diligence. Computers have the ability to perform the same tasks over for a long time without getting tired, because a computer is a machine, so doesn't have from human behaviors of tiredness and also lack of concentration. And next one, versatility. Modern computer can perform different kinds of tasks simultaneously, doing many tasks at the same time. For example, you can play music while typing a document. At the same time, This is also known as multitasking. Actually, when you works in a Word document as well as we're listening the music and also browsing the Facebook and YouTube and any other application. That's why it's called the versatility. And next one, adaptability. Modern computers can comply with different settings. For example, they can be used a personal computer for home use, banking system, communication, entertainment, weather forecasting, space exploration, teaching, railway, medicine, and etc. And finally, storage. For a computer to be able to work, it must have some for workspace where data is stored. Before being processed, all information is stored on a hard disk or in the memory. For example, HDD, SSD, or any other storage device. So this is the general characteristic of the computer. And finally, artificial intelligence. This is the most important things of the computer because computer are artificially intelligence. Actually, they can be programmed to assume capabilities such as learning, reasoning, adaptation, and self-correction. For example, computer can respond as if they were thinking by play, recognize handwriting and speech. However, the computer themselves cannot think. The artificial intelligence is only supported by the power of the program installed in them. So, computers are artificially intelligent. Okay. So, at the end of the classes, if you have any question, please let me comment in comment box. Thank you very much for watching these videos and staying with me. See you again in my another video. Till then, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.